Hey everybody, it's Spicey Guy. Today I want to show you everything in my garden that's flowering, also known as going to seed. Check it out. Let's see what all is going to seed. This is some parsley. It's going to seed. So what do? I sprinkle them in the dirt. That's why there's so many little bitty parsley plants going. Because I just come through, see the seeds, and sprinkle them in the dirt. This is either some spinach or some lettuce that I planted in here with this jalapeno pepper that I'm overwintering. It's doing pretty good. It's still green down there at the bottom. But here, these are going to seed. Why waste? Sprinkle them in the dirt. This broccoli is going to seed. See that? No heads, just seeds. No big deal. I have more. This on this side is spinach. Over on this side is two different types of lettuces. I grew these as microgreens, and I ended up pulling some here and there and replanting them in other places. But I actually just keep forgetting that it's here when I cook dinner, so we haven't been eating them at all. And now they're kind of too big. Like this one, it's probably bitter. Let's see. Actually, pretty good. So I'll probably find something to do with this tonight. But in the meantime, just drop those seeds. Just drop them right there in the tray. Drop those seeds. Look at that pretty flower in the tray. And I planted this from seed so long ago that I don't remember planting it. I don't remember what it was. It should have either been a broccoli or a cabbage, one of the two, but I'm assuming it's a cabbage because right next to it is the cabbage that I planted from seed. That's a lettuce from the depot, but this was from seed. So I'm assuming was a cabbage, but it's gone to seed. These we won't be just sprinkling all over the place, but I will be gathering these seeds up and putting them in packaging so I can replant them and find out exactly what they are so I can label the bag properly. And that's everything that's going to seed. Look at this habanero pepper plant. Look at it. I was supposed to be overwintering her. She refused to be overwintered. She is still producing. Seriously, it's still producing. Look at all this new growth. I'm gonna have to clean all this up. I wasn't planning on pruning pepper plants in the middle of the winter. She should have overwintered, but no. She just came right back, and she's going strong. She's feeling no worries whatsoever. Now I want to make sure I show you this little trick. This is tulle. These are my carrots. I do not want them eaten, so I cover them in tulle. See that? Real simple. Spicy out. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button on the way out. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new gardening video. Enjoy your garden. Spicy out.